Hello everyone, my name is Nahid. Welcome. Today we will paint a scene inspired by a quiet road and trees. We use 5 simple colors: titanium white, burnt umber, permanent alizarin, ultramarine blue, and cadmium yellow. Keep shapes simple. Think large dark masses and bright simple areas, no details. Now I start with the dark part of the trees, using a mixture of burnt umber, ultramarine blue, alizarin, and cadmium yellow. Paint the trees as 2 big vertical masses on each side. Do not paint leaves, just big shapes. Add mid-tones for the trees. Mix ultramarine blue with cadmium yellow to make a green. Lighten it with titanium white for mid-tone foliage. Apply this color to the side of the tree masses that catch light. Use round, soft brush marks, simple blobs of color. Create warm light areas. Hill or treetops. Mix titanium white with cadmium yellow for warm light. Add a tiny touch of permanent alizarin for a warmer glow. For the road, I mix titanium white, ultramarine blue, burnt umber, and a little yellow. And for the road line, a mix of alizarin, yellow, and titanium white. And the shadows of the trees on the road, using a mixture of burnt umber, ultramarine blue, alizarin, and cadmium yellow. Now, for the clouds, I mix a little ultramarine blue, white, yellow, and alizarin together to create the shape of the clouds, and then I add a little white to the color I made for the cloud to create the bright parts of the cloud, and then I soften all the edges of the clouds. I mix a little ultramarine blue with titanium white. I'm using purple for the distant hill. To create that, I can use the color I made for the cloud and add a little blue, alizarin, and yellow. Push depth. Make distant shapes lighter and more faded by adding more titanium white. Make foreground shapes darker by adding burnt umber. Soften edges in the distance. Keep the foreground edges a bit stronger. And that's it. Thank you for painting with me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and join me again for more beginner-friendly art lessons. Take care, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.